Hello, scrappers. Well, I thought I'd try to take the boat out today and get it wet. Been rewired the whole trailer lights. So this will be a maiden voyage. Don't have an outboard going yet. Still I gotta order some diaphragms for the fuel pumps, some fuel line, different things, get them going. I put a bilge pump in here. See it down there, and drilled a hole in the boat. The water will pump right out there. Really kind of hated to drill a hole in this boat, but then I went over all the wood gunnel with some linseed oil, soaked it in there pretty good. Kind of help weatherproof it. So I got the back unstrapped. I got to tie off the front rope and then back on in here. Water level's down. There's the end of the cement for the boat ramp. So the water level's down probably a foot from the last time we were here when I was out here with the kayak. Got my wife just around the bend there. I don't know if I can see her head sticking up above the grass over there. So I'm not too far away, so I'll probably launch the boat, pull it up here on the bank, and then pull the truck over there by her in case she needs anything out of the truck. Be there, and then she's fairly close to the bathroom. So it's just right up there. So not too far. It's a nice little lake. As you can probably tell, put the mic on the camera, there's a little bit of wind blowing, so hopefully it's not messing up with the sound too badly. But okay, I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off, put it back in the dry box, and we'll get this thing in the water. Yeah, I didn't back the trailer in very far. I would have liked to have gone back a little deeper, but I didn't really want to get out here in the mud too much. It's really sticky mud. I'm just hoping I don't get stuck. If I can get forward 2 or 3 feet, I'll probably be fine. I'll try to. Okay, we're back from the lake. It's not be a pretty nice day out here. It's about 81 out here in the shop right now. It's not too bad. Feels good. Kind of windy out there. Kind of blowing me around the lake a little bit. Did a little bit of drift fishing. Didn't catch anything. My wife had a few bites fishing from the bank using liver. So said that wind was a little cold for her, but I got to get a couple bearing caps for this thing. So next time we go Chickasha, I'll swing by Tractor Supply or something and need to get a measurement and try to figure out about what size I need. Need to look around. I might have I know I had a couple here that I bought a long time ago, and I think it was the wrong size for what I was needing. Kind of debating whether if I had this seat, that attachment there, would have been all right to sit in the seat and run the front motor. The way it was, I was pretty well just having to run it by hand. I'm kind of thinking about, going to get the seats out of here, run a post up. So if I'm standing there, I can have a post to hang on to for balance, and then be able to stand there and fish and work the foot pedal. It took a little bit of getting used to run this thing. Never run a foot pedal one before, so. And of course this is used, it didn't come with instructions. But I had a good time out there for what little time I was out there. And it's got a little water back here, but that was back here from the rain that we had. And I pumped some of it out the other day. So I don't really think it took any water on. This is where I got the little spout coming out. It looks pretty good. I tell you, I cut it close on the inside though. I mean, I'm right up against that. Where's it at? Yeah, I'm right up against that aluminum seam. I cut it pretty close. I didn't want it down too far. Wanted to keep it well above the water level. I didn't really want to go too high with it. I think it looks pretty good right there. I really hated to drill a hole in the side of the boat. But for what it is, it's an improvement. The boat pulled pretty good. The little 4-cylinder, I could tell it was back there, especially trying to pull some of the hills. But that Colorado pulled it pretty good. I don't have to get in any hurry. I got out here and put some reflective tape on it in a few spots. So, just in case I'm out after dark, it'll light up better. Yeah, I would have stayed out there longer, but I was kind of thinking about the back tires being in the muddy, out there in the lake, in the mud. That was pretty sticky mud too. Kind of thinking, I probably ought to go ahead and get the boat on the trailer, try to pull out. That way if I got to start looking for somebody with a tow strap, which I did have a short chain there, about a 6-8 footer, that I probably could have used. It probably wouldn't take much to pull me out of there with another truck. But boat loaded up pretty good. Like I said, wasn't deep enough to float on. I got out pretty deep, quite a ways from shore, good casting distance or so, and still only 3 to 5 feet, something like that, not very deep. Even when I was out there fishing, one spot was 15, then as I was drifting, getting close to the other shore, went down to 9. So, not a real deep lake. But, kind of got out there, got the feel of it in the water. It's pretty stable. So, take a little bit of getting used to, and kind of on a marketplace looking around, saw some others, and looked like there's a lot of open area in some of the boats. Spotted another motor there. Guy got it doing a clean out, and the apartment owner or whatever told me he could have it. Evan Rude. I'm gonna say 60, 70 model, something in there. Wants 100 for it. Up in the city, so that's not too far. He didn't list what horsepower was. I messaged him. He'd only had it up 30, 45 minutes or so. So when he gets home, he'll look. So I might go ahead and put the boat cover on this, strap it down, and get it parked out in the field. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hadn't really been doing any scrapping the last 3 or 4 days. Kind of taking a little break. Been working on the boat and other things. I think my wife's got a doctor appointment or 2 next week. So hopefully they want to do some more scans, and she's supposed to have a kidney stone. They got to go in and check it out, measure it, and find out if it's under a certain size, it'll pass. If it's over a certain size, they're gonna have to break it up. So get in there with air chisel, I guess. I don't know. And then she got a cyst and something they think that could possibly be cancer, but you know, too early to tell right now. So they want her to do some more imaging, which she went to that one imaging specialist. I don't know why they couldn't get all, you know, what they needed then, but yeah, they are. And then there's something on her pancreas. So a few different items. So we'll get her checked out here in the next, I know she got an appointment, I think, on the 11th and the 17th. So we get her fixed up. So I'm going to get busy and take care of this boat. I enjoyed getting out there. But it's nice weather right now. It's not too hot, not too cold. The water temperature was 68, something like that. So not bad. Not bad at all. But I wanted to get out there before water got too cold and air temperature got too cold. Just get out and play in the boat for a little bit. I have a speedometer app on my phone. I put it on and was cruising with the thing on high, doing about 3 miles an hour. That wasn't too bad, 3 miles an hour in this big old boat. So, guess I'll call it a video. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope I didn't bore you too badly. We'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll get out here this day or two here and get busy on some of the scrap again. I know I got a bunch down the field I need to drag up here and take the plasma cutter to it. Got a brush hog down there. Need to cut it up. But some of the gearbox I want to keep and put it online for sale. Which I got a dog kennel over there. My wife, she wants to get it put on Marketplace, and I got a deer stand to get on Marketplace. 'Tis the season. We're in archery season now, so I'm going to get this boat cover out of the box and figure out how it goes on and everything, and then get it strapped down and then park it, and I'll go in and see if that guy messaged me. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.